In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute notifications in Slack. If you've ever been in deep focus and a chorus of pings kept interrupting you, this quick walkthrough will help you silence Slack sounds without missing important messages. You can follow along in the Slack desktop app or in a browser at slack.com. The steps are the same. Make sure you're signed in to the workspace where you want these settings to apply. Start by opening Slack or heading to slack.com and signing in. Once you're in your workspace, look to the bottom left corner of the Slack window. You'll see your profile picture or workspace icon. Click that to open your account menu. This is where Slack keeps personal settings that only affect your view and sounds, not anyone else's. From that menu, choose Preferences. A settings window will pop up. This is your control center for how Slack looks, behaves, and notifies you. We're focused on sound, so scroll down within Preferences until you find the section labeled Sounds and Appearance. If you don't see it immediately, keep scrolling. Slack sometimes collapses a few sections depending on your last visit. Inside Sounds and Appearance, you'll see the options you need. Turn on mute all messaging sounds from Slack. This silences all the notification pings for direct messages, mentions, and channel alerts. You'll still see badges and banners if you've enabled them. You just won't hear the audio cue. Next, turn on mute all huddle sounds from Slack. Huddles are Slack's lightweight audio calls, and this switch mutes the join and leave sounds, reaction chimes, and other audio cues specific to huddles. That's it, your Slack is now quiet. A couple of useful notes. Muting sounds does not block messages or stop visual notifications. You'll continue to receive everything, it just happens silently. If you work across devices, remember that sound settings are per device. If you want silence on your laptop and your phone, you'll need to adjust each one separately in their respective Slack apps. Also, if you ever need a temporary break from all alerts, Slack's Do Not Disturb can pause notifications entirely, but that's separate from muting sounds. If you change your mind later, simply return to Preferences, go back to Sounds and Appearance, and toggle those switches off. If the options don't appear as described, make sure your Slack app is up to date, or try accessing Slack in a browser as a quick check. Thanks for watching. With messaging and huddle sounds muted, you'll keep your focus while still staying in the loop.